Hello and thanks for watching. My name is Ron Grover and I am a support engineer for GoEngineer. In this video I'm going to talk about and demonstrate how to validate and rebuild a SOLIDWORKS Workgroup PDM Vault. Each file in a Workgroup PDM Vault has metadata, or information about the file. Metadata is a series of text files that contain server options such as user information and revision schemes, as well as file information such as revision history and the file's owner. The metadata is imperative to the function of Workgroup PDM, and since Workgroup PDM does not utilize a database to store and access this information, it is important to maintain the Vault metadata. Every time files are added to the Vault, the tree structure is updated. With a lot of Vault activity, the Vault view may not accurately represent the contents of the Vault. The validate and rebuild process is similar to the rebuild function in SOLIDWORKS. When we add features or rebuild the model, SOLIDWORKS only rebuilds from the latest change. If we want the model to rebuild all features, we do a forced rebuild. Workgroup PDM can rebuild and validate the Vault tree structure when a Vault service is started, similar to a forced rebuild in SOLIDWORKS. This process could take from a few seconds to some hours, depending on the size of the Vault and the processing power of the server, and maintenance is best performed during non-working hours. It is also good practice to validate and rebuild the Vault metadata on a regular schedule, such as every month, and at any time new projects and their files are added or removed from the Vault. The Workgroup PDM Vault validation tool goes through each project in the Vault to make sure every document is valid. To validate the Vault, log in to the Workgroup PDM Vault admin tool as a user with administrator privileges, and click on the Vault Management tab. In versions of Workgroup PDM prior to 2013, the validation and rebuild settings are found on the Vault Settings tab. On the Vault Management tab, click the checkbox for Validate Vault and choose whether to validate on the next startup or every startup. Click Apply to set the options, and then click Stop to stop the Workgroup PDM service. Once the service is stopped, click on Start to start the Vault and validation will occur. Again, validation may take a few seconds to several hours. In order to verify that the validation has completed, check the end of the server.log file for a line containing the text Request port listening for connections on port 4000 worker threads 10. The Rebuild Vault option in SOLIDWORKS Workgroup PDM Vault admin tool rebuilds Vault metadata from key-base files. There are several benefits to rebuilding the Vault, including improving the startup time of the Vault from a stopped state and general performance when working with workgroup files in SOLIDWORKS. Rebuilding may also repair metadata errors which may have occurred, since rebuilding will recreate these files. The Rebuild Vault option should also be run before migrating Workgroup PDM Vault data to Enterprise PDM or exporting from a Workgroup PDM Vault. To rebuild a Workgroup PDM Vault, log into the Workgroup PDM Vault admin tool as a user with administrator privileges. On the Vault Settings tab, under Vault Lock, click the Locked checkbox to lock all users out of the Vault. Click the checkbox for Rebuild Vault and check the boxes for any additional actions you want to perform. In this case, I will simply choose to perform the base rebuild. Click Apply to set the options, and then click the Rebuild Now button to initiate the rebuild. A dialog box warning that the Vault will be shut down will be presented. Click Yes to confirm the Vault shutdown. The Vault admin tool will close and you will be prompted to log in again. The rebuild process may take a few seconds to several hours. Again, to verify that the validation or rebuild has completed, check the end of the server.log file for a line containing the text Request port listening for connections on port 4000. Vault maintenance is an important part of any Workgroup PDM installation, and performing regular maintenance will keep your team working efficiently. My name is Ron Grover, and this has been a look at validating and rebuilding a Workgroup PDM Vault.